Hi everyone. Today also we are meeting with another important lessons coming under Edexcel and Cambridge curriculums. That is handling data. When we talk about this handling data, we know we have to find out basically mean, median, and mode. We are going to discuss today how to find out those three. First, you can see here, I have given a set of data that is about the marks obtained by 17 students in a class. Now you can see on the screen, you have this mark. When we talk about mode, we know mode means the most occurring number in a frequency distribution. Most occurring number. Then when we are looking at this data, you can see here the most occurring number is 8. Therefore, we are taking the mode as 8. Easily you can take that one. And at last, you can take the most occurring number is 8. According to this one, that is equal to mode. Then children, we will see median. Median, when we say median, what do you feel? The middle value. The middle value. Now, when we are taking a set of people, now for an example, say a set of children are sitting, then we are taking the middle value, the middle one, by selecting this. That is called median. Now, when you are taking this one, you can see children, there are 17 values, there are 17 numbers. From them, when we are selecting the middle one, we can use a formula like this. We can take here half times n plus 1th value. Half times n plus 1th value. Now we know here this n stands for number of values. We have here 17 values, then half times 17 plus 1th position. The value in that particular position. When we simplify this one, then you can see here, now when we are coming to this median, we know that it is the 9th value. When we come to the 9th value is 7. You can see here 9th value is 7. Then we can take here median is 9th value. Now here, there is a place where the children are getting confused. Now that is what I am going to focus here. Now, you know, here all the values are arranged in ascending order. Then we were able to get this one directly. But if they want you in a paper without arranging in ascending order, as a must, you have to arrange all these values in ascending order. Then only you can select the median. Now, we discuss mode and median. Then next, I am going to focus on mean. What do I mean by mean? Now, you can see, if you can remember, when you are getting your report card, when you get your report card, normally, after going form, when you are showing it to parents, they are checking this average, right? Average. After checking the average, then sometimes I am be getting nice treatment, positive way, negative way. Sometimes they reduce the facilities that you are getting by considering that one. Now let's see here in these marks how we can get the average. Now you can see here children, there are 17 values. We have to add all the values and we have to divide by the number of values, that is same like that the teachers are calculating your average in your term test. When you have 7 subjects, they are adding all the subjects marks and they are dividing by the number of subjects. Here when we add all the 17 values and when we are dividing by 17, we are getting the average. You can see that is what we meant by mean. Next, we are going to learn how we can answer for a question when they are giving me the table. The same example I will take and I will tell you how to identify and how to answer for the same three questions by using a table. Now you can see here in this table, I have include all this information to this table. You can see here the marks and here frequency. Like that, the data I included in this table. Then the first question that I gave you was how to find out the mode. When we are finding mode, I told you that is the most repeating number. Now you can see here in the table, in frequency column, you have number 5. That is the highest number. And in front of that, on the marks column, you have 8. That means the meaning of this is 8 is repeating 5 times. 8 is repeating 5 times. Then we can get 8 as the mode. We have to select the highest frequency from the frequency column and value corresponding to that one should be taken as the mode. When they are giving us to find out the median, now here we have 17. The same way for 17 we have to add 1 and we have to multiply that one by half. Then we are getting 9. Now with the frequency column we have to find out which value is giving us 9. You can see here we have 3. For 3 we are adding 4. For 4 we are adding 2. Only we are getting 9. Then you can see the median is 7. Median is 7. And when they are asking us to find out the mean, now from the table we know that number 5 is repeating 3 times. Number 6 is repeating 4 times. Likewise, we have summarized the previous data in this table. So when we are going to find out mean, we have to get the total of all these marks. Therefore, I have to add another column here. In that column, what we are doing is we multiply these two. This product gives us the total here. Then 5 into 3 is 15. 6 into 4 is 24. Likewise, I have multiplied all the values and finally I am getting the total here. Then that table, in this table, this column we are naming as fx column. So we have the total here. We have sigma f here. Now we can find out the mean by using this formula sigma fx over sigma f. Then we can get the values from this table and we are able to find out mean. Okay, I think you understood this one. Thank you so much for watching.